What's up YouTube? Gear with Amir here and welcome to another episode of Gear with Amir. And today we are covering a cool new product I got. It is the Sennheiser HD 598 SRs. These are the special edition and I just ordered these the other day and actually really excited to try them out. So what they are is they are my first pair of open back headphones. And essentially what open back means is the sound is not locked into my headphones any longer. So it'll have a lot of sound leakage as I'm wearing them because, as the name suggests, they're open back. But what's great about these, or really any open back headphones, is you get a much grander, much more concert-like sound in the headphones. Because you're gonna get some ambient noise. So it's gonna feel like you're in the room with the music as per se, just having the music right here on your ears. So if you listen to different types of music, very instrumental heavy music, I'll be able to visualize almost exactly where that sound is coming from. So maybe the drums over there, maybe the vocalist over here, guitar over there. It's much different. And something I was really excited about trying as I'm getting more into music, as well as I'm working on this YouTube channel and getting more into editing. I have my own studio, which I'm in right now, so it's completely silent when I'm in here when I'm not working. So I thought these would be great to try out, as well as I'm currently using my some Beats, the noise canceling Beats, and they keep dying because I leave the cord plugged in, I hang it on the headphone stand, I come in the next day and now they're dead. I also went from living in a house to a condo, so I can't have my elaborate speaker system that I had at the house, so I've decided to get a nice pair of headphones. So really excited about these Sennheisers. They're supposed to give an incredible sound stage, which is the overall sound that you get from the headphones. So let's go ahead and pop these bad boys open. We'll do the unboxing today, and then we'll make another video here shortly about my thoughts and just an overall review of how they are. So as you know, at Gear with Amir, we don't use knives. We use a tiny sword to open our packages. So let's bust this package open. Hope y'all are ready. So we'll go ahead and bring this over here. Just has two things of tape on the back, hopefully. It would always suck if one day I cut like an important cord or something like that as I'm doing this, but it's just so much fun. You rarely get to use a sword in everyday life, so I enjoy cutting my packages open with this. What's life worth living if you're not having fun, right? So, package open, box ready to go, so let's get it. So we'll just pull the top off right here, get it started, and it should slide right off. So we'll just slide, eventually, we'll slide this top off. Almost. There we go. Like I said, I could not be more excited about these. Like I said, I did a ton of research yesterday online and just so pumped to have these, open them, and actually try them out. So let's keep it rolling. So we can pull the headphones out. There's some foam covering. It looks like the cord's already in there, so we'll take this off. All right, we'll actually bring this over here. So one thing that I actually like about this that I read about online is that the headphone cord that goes into, these are really soft. These headphones are really soft. The cord that goes into the headphones, it actually twists and locks into place. So I'm trying to get it unlocked without breaking it. There we go. That's good and bad. I like that it's secure and it won't ever rip out if I'm walking around the house, but that was pretty difficult to get in. So good and bad, because of course you want it to be difficult. So we'll leave that box there, put the cord there. So these are the headphones. As I can tell, it's pretty good build quality. Here you can check them out right there. I really love the grill on the side. It has the Sennheiser logo. They actually look really good, so I really like these. These foam pads on the inside, they're very soft, almost a velour-esque feel. Let's see what they feel like on. And they feel really good on my head. I could see myself wearing these all day, honestly. It's not squeezing at all. It's not applying any undue pressure on my ears. They fit perfectly in the cup. These are very, very comfortable headphones. So really excited about that. And I can actually hear myself talking, which is pretty cool. So that open back coming into play again. So really liking the look and the feel of these headphones already. Like I said, that grill on the side, it's just a really sturdy build. It is plastic, but I like that. It keeps the headphones light, and just, like I said, they feel great. And then in the rest of the box, we have our cables. So it should come with multiple different cables, I think 2, as well as the larger plug. So your regular 3.5, and then the much larger audio plug here as well. So we have this one long cable here, and then, so that's the longer one, and then it looks like this is the shorter standard 3.5 millimeter plug. I believe it's 3.5 millimeter, but so I'll be having to use my adapter a lot with my iPhone. Since I do have the iPhone 10. I really like the iPhone 10, but it would be nice if it had a headphone jack. So this is your standard cord. This is the one that has a mic, which I'm really excited about. So you do get one that has a mic and volume control on the cord, so that's great. So we put that there. And then this, I think, is just the adapter for the larger plug. So this is the 3.5 right here, so it can just plug on as such. So I think that's everything in here. Yep, just one of these little gel packs. Don't ever eat those. I don't know that from experience, but don't eat those. But that's essentially it. That's again, the Sennheiser HD 598 SR, excuse me. Really excited about these headphones, so I'm gonna go ahead and give them a whirl, give them a try. And I'll be coming back to you guys with another video about my review. So, as per usual, please leave me any comments if you have any suggestions or things that I should try or new gear that I should buy. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and give it a like. And also, feel free to subscribe. Hit that button right there. We'll be coming out with a lot more content. But again, hope you enjoyed. That's Gear with Amir. Peace.